Hey guys, welcome to Ben's Grooming Advice. I'm Bear Clark. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every single week where we talk about skincare, talk about fragrances where I review them, and also talk about tips and tricks for confidence to make you a better version of you. So I went ahead and bought something on impulse, which was via quite a bit of advertising on Facebook and on Instagram, and that's the Cult Beauty Men's Cult Beauty Starter Kit. So this was a kit that I bought. It's £30. So when we look inside the box, we have a little leaflet that tells you exactly what you've got and how to use them. We have a Baxter's of California deodorant. Now, this is, I'm going to go off track here a little bit, guys. And I saw quite a few people ragging on it, saying, don't buy this, it's a scam, they're not full-size products. Look, it does say they're a tester kit. It does say that you get certain sizes. The other thing is that this box cost £30, okay? So I had a quick top of exactly how much each of these individually would cost. And I made it to be around about £135. So there's £135 worth in here, which came for £30. So by my reckoning, that's not too bad. So getting back on track, very nice fresh scent, ideal for sticking in your gym bag or in your laptop bag when you go to work. Bad Norwegian face shave gel, face shave cream. It's 50 mils, so you've easily got a couple of weeks worth there. I would say 2 weeks worth easily. I will be reviewing this separately. Malin and Goetz grapefruit face cleanser. It doesn't really smell of grapefruit to me. I have tried a few of their products before and not been blown away. Philip Kingsley flaky and itchy scalp anti-dandruff shampoo. Now I have tried this. It's very gentle. It definitely reduces itching scalp. I sometimes get an itchy scalp, so this is actually really nice. I've never used a Philip Kingsley shampoo or conditioner before, but based on this, I'm definitely going to try some more of these Philip Kingsley products in the future. I like those. The Incalist Caffeine Eye Cream, which I'm going to review separately because a lot of people have asked me about this. It's funny, with eye creams, there's quite a beef really in the skincare community, on the forums and on YouTube, etc., between whether you should or shouldn't use eye cream. My view on this is they are useful if you use them for what they're meant for, and if you don't pay a fortune for them. So this is, as I say, something that's been requested an awful lot, so I'm going to be using this over the next couple of weeks and post a review and let you know how I get on with that. I was actually intending to buy this one anyway, so it's quite handy it was in the box. We have a sheet mask. I do like sheet masks, although I haven't used one for a while. This is 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. Anti-blemish biocellulose facial mask. Now obviously, because it's a facial mask, it's a full-size product. It wouldn't be much bloody use if they gave you one that went over one cheek. So targeted formula to combat the complexities of lower face eruptions and calm irritated skin. A potent sebum balancing formula to reduce shine without interrupting the moisture balance. So this is quite an expensive mask if you buy it separately. It's actually in two parts, which is good. I like that because I tend to find the vast majority of masks that are one piece, they can be more difficult to put on. Also because, you know, not being sexist here, but they generally tend to be aimed at the female market. I tend to find that they're usually too small. They tend to stop there and stop here on me, which is irritating. So perhaps a two-part mask like this might be just that little bit better. And the last one is a tiddy little thing here, which is the Augustinus Bader The Cream. So this brand, this professor has created this brand which is beloved by celebrities, particularly people like Victoria Beckham. I think she's a huge fan of it and helps promote it. They basically produce two products. One's called The Cream and the other's called The Rich Cream. The Rich Cream is nighttime, the cream is daytime. The idea with this is that it is an all-in-one cream. It's supposed to, you don't need toners or serums or everything else. You just need this. The reason they tell you just need this is because, bear in mind, this is obviously just a little tiny sample size, but the standard size bottle is £225. £225 for moisturiser? Sod that. If they want to send me one for free, great, I'll trial it for a month and tell you how brilliant it is, but I'm sure as hell not paying for it. So this is only probably going to be at best a week, probably less So I won't get much of a chance to use this to get a real idea, because a lot of the reviews I've seen for this talk about needing to use it for at least a month to see the cell turnaround and all the effects it has, etc. So I won't be able to give this a really fair trial, you know, based on a little size like this, but I will give it a go, and again I shall put my thoughts of that on Instagram. So a few little interesting bits and pieces there from Cult Beauty. Would you buy it? Would I recommend you buy it? If there's things in here that you know you're going to use, I'd say that this is worth it. It's a nice introduction. It's a nice sample box. If you're new to skincare, or if you're somebody who's locked into a particular makeup of skincare, maybe you only use Kiehl's, or you just use CeraVe, or you just use other drugstores or whatever, and you want to take a punt, try getting this. Also, I'd imagine we're coming up to Father's Day, so this is still available, so this would make a nice Father's Day present. Thumbs up from me. Let me know, guys, if you like any of these, or if you've tried any of these, or if you've gone ahead and bought the box. I've been Bear Clark. You've been amazing as always, and I'll see you again real soon.